Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kalita Stylish. Yes, today is DIY Wednesday. Yay! So today's video we are doing a DIY on shea butter and cocoa butter with different ingredients. The ingredients will be listed on the screen when I am playing the video. I just come on here to let you all know that the shea and cocoa butter mix looks because I put it in the fridge afterwards. This is how it looks like. It don't come out with a white cast, it dissolves. This good for scars, stretch marks, pregnancies, eczemas, if you have eczemas on your skin, cuts, bruises, whatever you have. After a while, if you keep on using it, it does lighten up and go away according to the skin type you have. The reason why I made this for my skin, when I'm exercising and I'm losing weight, my elasticity of my skin should stretch back to normal. My stretch marks don't be dark, it does be light. The ingredients that I put, if you do not use a certain ingredient, you can substitute it for something else. You don't have to use everything that I put, but if you don't use coconut oil, you can substitute it on next oil or whatever oil you just use. So enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and put on your notification bell. See you all in my next video. Bye.